So there's this thing I started doing a little while ago. You know how you can go on the internet just to look at one thing, just real quick, just look at one thing. And then you just look at one more thing, and then one more thing, and like the next thing you know, 5 hours has gone by. Well, for a long time I've been like, no, I can't do that, can't do that, can't do that. You know, kind of fighting that kind of like dumb urge, right? And then a little while ago I was like, hold on. What if instead of trying to fight that urge, what if I just apply it to things I should do instead of to things I shouldn't do? So now instead of just one more little time-wasty thing, I do like, well, let's just drill one more hole. I'll just cut one more of those. I'll just paint a little more. I'll just do a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I'm not gonna take a break yet. I'm just gonna do a little bit more. Just a little more. The next thing I know, I'll get like 3 days of work done in an afternoon, and I'll be exhausted, but I'll feel amazing about it, you know?